how to transfer money from Bitget to Bitget. Now, on the money here, it's like the crypto that you have funds on your account. This is equal money. Now, to be able to transfer money from Bitget to another Bitget account, first of all, log into your account in Bitget and tap on assets. Now, from the top part, select the spot. And now tap on withdraw. And as you can see here, select the token that you have funds on, for example, the USDT. Now, to be able to, in this case that we want to transfer from Bitget to another Bitget account, now we can select internal transfer. And after that, you can select the account type that you want to transfer to or that you have. For example, the mobile. Now provide here the mobile number of that Bitget account. And now here you can set the amount that you want to transfer. For example, 1000. And after that, click on withdraw and you will be able to transfer money from Bitget to Bitget. So this is how to transfer money from Bitget to Bitget. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.